Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming eligibility. Make sure you're currently enrolled at an eligible college or university and that your institution issues a student email or enrollment record. Once done, sign into your Apple ID on the device you'll use. Enable two-factor authentication so Apple can secure the verification flow. Keep your student email and any school ID handy because you'll need to prove affiliation. This step avoids delays if Apple needs more proof. You can supply it quickly and finish verification without. You now open Apple Music or go to Settings Subscriptions and choose the student plan. Tap Verify Student or continue to launch the verification flow. Apple will redirect you to a partner verification service. Use your institution email when asked or upload enrollment documentation if prompted. This is why you prepared files earlier. Make sure the email you use matches the school record. If you're redirected away from Apple, follow the partner site instructions until you return to confirm the subscription. You finish by confirming the verification success message and watching for Apple's confirmation email. The student discount will apply at your next billing. If verification fails, don't panic. Retry with your official student email or upload clearer enrollment documents such as a schedule or tuition bill. Make sure dates and names match your Apple ID. Finally, remember student status renews annually. Set a calendar reminder to re-verify before expiry so your discounted rate continues uninterrupted.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.